What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 11. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn off the side Siri button on the iPhone 11 and Pro series. So for those of you that are not quite sure, if you press and do a long press on the right side, you will see Siri coming up. So if you don't want that, the way to get rid of that is start off by going into settings. From settings, we will be looking for accessibility. So right down here, accessibility, select that, and then scroll down a little bit, you will see the side button. Go ahead and select that, and in this lower half we will see the press and hold to speak. So you can set the classic voice control or you can set it to off. Once you have set it to off and you press and hold that power button here on the side, as you guys can see, nothing happens. That long press that once upon a time turned the Siri on does nothing. If you do just a short click, it gives you that power, puts the screen to sleep. So that's just my quick tutorial on how to turn off the side Siri button. I do find that somewhat annoying at times. So there you guys have it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.